I'm here to peacefully protest on behalf of the people who cannot protest. Our government needs to be accountable to its people. We need to be able to speak and our voices be heard. We should not be pushed to the side or made to shut up. And our nurses and our teachers, our firefighters, our police, our civil servants, they also would like a livable raise, a livable wage. And I think that the government should hear us out and make the necessary changes because this is a democracy. I would like that the increases be rolled back. Nobody is saying that you can't get a raise. You can't get a raise, but we would like a sizable percentage to be given to our hard workers. You know, they have been asking since years back, and I feel like they are justified to get it. I do believe that, you know, they do deserve to be paid livable wages, but I feel that if they are struggling to make their rent or to pay their bills, they should let us as the people know, and then we can know if the increase is justified. The teachers and the police and the nurses, they're complaining that they're not able to live. And I think that that should be enough for them to see that they're okay, you know, they have what they need. Well, I feel that, well, for one, I think that social media responding there is good. I have responded there as well, but I do feel like a tangible presence is needed sometimes to make a change and to show people that there are others who agree with them. The public has been really, really responsive and positive. I've only had one person that was negative in how they responded to me, and I've got water, fruits, people have offered me lunch. So I'm really supported here. Even though I was the only one here, others have come to join me, and other people said they wanted to join as well, but they weren't able to. So I felt as though since I am freer to speak, I can talk on behalf of those who aren't able to speak and share as a Jamaican.